Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yewandi Ushomi once again. It's good to see you guys again. Thank you guys for all the love and support. So today I'm going to be creating that eyeshadow look, and what I just used is my eyeshadow base, and after using my eyeshadow base, I'm just going in with these colors. I didn't even know that the colors are the same with my clothes. So I just want to pop like a wheels of colors from yellow to orange. Orange is the new black. Orange is the new color. It's December already and we're in the season of celebration. How was your Thanksgiving? So after yellow, I'm just going to go in with pink, and after pink, I'm just going to go in with purple just to like give it a very lovely definition at the end. And that's all the look. And we're done. This is the final look. Take a closer look at the eyeshadow. Wow, so lovely. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add my blush, and I'm using this blush palette, Girls Night Out. Really Girls Night Out, so lovely. And this Revolution blush and bronzy palette. I love this gold. Wow. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do my lip and just outline the lip, and I'm going really subtle with the lip, something just natural, but it's as kind of like a pink glossy, yeah, all the way out of Tara. Just pop that in there. I love this because it's very good. It's a 24 hours long lasting gloss lippy or a lip gloss. I hope you guys enjoyed this look at this point. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, comment what you think about this look, and while I leave you guys to the slow mode, watch it. Remember to subscribe, remember to give this video a thumbs up, and also check me out on Instagram at YEWIZZY. Yeweezy. I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Till I come your way again. Bye.